evaluate limit extends to 2, x to the power of 3 minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 upon x square minus 6x plus 8. So limit extends to 2, and by substituting x is equal to 2, we are getting like 2 power 3 8 minus 2 2s of 4 4 6 are 24 plus 11 2s are 22 minus 6 upon 4 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 8. So whereby you will be getting 8 minus 24 minus 16 plus 22 plus 6 6 minus 6 0 upon, so 4 plus 8 12 minus 2 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. Since 0 by 0 form we are getting, so either we can do factorization of the polynomials or we can apply L'Hospital's rule. So let's first factorize it. The numerator x power 3 minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Since by substituting x is equal to 2 we are getting 0, so clearly x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor for both numerator and denominator, so we can consider this x minus 2 factor, and by using synthetic division method let us find the remaining factors. So take the coefficients. First of all, if the polynomial is in order, x power 3 x square and x term and constant, so take the coefficients 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. Then initially put 0 here. X minus 2 is a factor, so we can take x is equal to 2 here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 2 times 1, 2 ones are 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. And again 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. So write here. So 2 multiply with minus 4 minus 8. So write it here. 11 minus 8 is 3. 2 into 3, it's a 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. You are getting 0 is a remainder since x minus 2 is a factor. And we got the another one, x square minus 4x plus 3. So we can write this polynomial as x minus 2 into x square minus 4x plus 3. And also we can observe that clearly the sum of coefficients is 0. 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 3, 0. So we can take x is equal to 1 as a factor. So we can take x is equal to 1 is a factor since the sum of the coefficients is 0. So initially put 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 ones are 1, minus 4 plus 1 comes minus 3, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So we are getting 0 is a remainder. And here this is a constant and this is x, so we can write this is x minus 3. So finally numerator part we can write it as x minus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3, and the denominator part, denominator is x square minus 6x plus 8, so we can do factorization x square, and also we know it's a factor is 2, so we can use synthetic division method also. It's quite simple. So let me apply that. So take the coefficients 1 minus 6 and 8. Since for the denominator also x minus 2 is a factor, so you take x is equal to 2, 0, so 1, 2 ones are 2, and again minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, so we are getting remainder is 0, and hence the factor is nothing but x minus 4. So this is x minus 4, and hence we can say the denominator part is x minus 2 into x minus 4. Now let's substitute in the limit problem. So limit extends to 2. So the numerator part is x minus x minus 2, x minus 1 and x minus 3, and denominator part we can write x minus 2 and x minus 4. So now we can cancel x minus 2 and x minus 2 terms, and now by substituting x is equal to 2 in the numerator or in the denominator form, we will be not getting 0 by 0, so because there is no other factor. So we can directly substitute here 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 upon 2 minus 4, so which is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, so this is 1 upon 2. So the limit value is 1 upon 2 by using factorization method. And now let's solve it by using L'Hospital's rule. Second method, apply L'Hospital's rule. Since our limit in the form 0 by 0, so we can differentiate the numerator and denominator separately, so that limit extends to 2. So first let me write the question. X power 3 minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, x power 3 minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 upon x square minus 6x plus 8, so which is equal to limit extends to 2. Let's differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. So x power 3, that is 3x square minus 12x plus 11 upon x square, that is 2x minus 6 plus 0. And now we need to check again, are we getting 0 by 0 form by substituting x is equal to 2 or not. So 2 square is 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 24, so you're not getting 0. So in the denominator also not getting 0, so we can substitute it directly. So 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 11 upon 2 into 2 minus 6, which is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 24 plus 11 upon 2 2s are 4 minus 6, which is equal to 23 minus 24, that is minus 1 upon minus 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. So by using L'Hospital's rule, you are getting 1 by 2, and the same as factorization method. Okay.